Here we have the new 2019 Pathfinder 2400 with the power poles and the Yamaha 300 on the back. As you can see, I've custom designed this boat with the engine painted black, the power poles painted, well, I ordered them black, they come that way. The rocket launcher and T-top and everything comes black. Console there for where the Garmin is come black. Also put the trolling motor on the front. That's a special trolling motor with the anchoring lock on it where it will anchor Minn Kota. New trailer to go with it, Pathfinder, with aluminum wheels, spare tire. So dressed the boat out real nice with plenty of rod holders, had those also installed. You can see the Garmin for the GPS and depth finder, also with the Garmin ship to shore radio, also JBL speaker system. Had speakers also put in the rocket T-top, the rocket launcher. Down here in the back got speakers here in the back. Also some speakers up front here, one on that side too. Had the padded coolers for Pathfinder. They come with the boat. A little bit of trim, as you can see, wood grain trim that I had installed. Also a little bit of dressing up on the side. Has 3 live wells in the back. Nope, excuse me, sorry, 2 live wells in the back. Extra seating goes here, one on the other side. It has a live well way up here in the front. 2 rod lockers for storage, and also another fish box right here. Keep the tackle in this part, and there's the live well in the front. So like I said, I special ordered this boat in October, traded in my other boat, which was the Cape Horn 22 offshore. So here in Jacksonville, this ought to be a very good boat for out here flats fishing, and if I wanted to go offshore a little bit, not too far, could go offshore. So there's the good view of the boat. So thank you for watching, and enjoy your day.